There's no material too hard for us to machine. As expressed by the company name, Seiko is a world leader in the art of precision fabrication of ultra-hard materials. Located at the center of Japan's main island in Nagahama City, Shiga Prefecture, our logistical advantages allow Seiko to serve customers both domestically and abroad. Our expertise allows us to serve customers across a diversity of industries from semiconductors and electronics to analytics, medical, and aerospace markets. Outstanding expertise and techniques are essential in machining ultra-hard materials with precision down to the micron. The three main types of material we can process are ceramics, glass, and refractory metals. The ceramics we handle include alumina, zirconia, aluminum nitride, silicon carbide, and metal matrix composites. With the exception of tempered glass, we accommodate most glass materials such as quartz glass, sapphire glass, and Tempax glass. And for refractory metals, we handle molybdenum, tungsten, tantalum, and niobium. Seiko utilizes expert skills to allow the machining of precision holes, curved surfaces, and 3D shapes in some of the most difficult materials. ISO 9001 and 13485 certified, we are equipped to manage all of your quality requirements. Our current fleet of 60 CNC machining centers includes 45 3-axis machines and 15 5-axis machines in our 2,600 square meter climate-controlled facility. We also have 5 CNC compound lathes and equipment such as surface grinders, cylindrical grinders, dicing machines, electric discharge machines, and more. To meet the evolving needs of our customers, we are continuously investing in the latest technologies. Of course, this quality manufacturing would be impossible without the expertise of our skilled operators, with the experience needed to make precise adjustments for each machine and specification. Our expert programmers play an integral role by developing program designs that ensure start-to-finish production quality. On top of that, we are dedicated to ongoing efficiency improvements by continuously optimizing the work environment. Examining aspects like plant layout, process line flow, and tool organization helps us optimize to reduce hazard and loss during production, which results in quality improvements that we can pass on to our customers. A clean work environment is especially critical for precision machining. At Seiko, we adhere strictly to the 5S philosophy for a clean working space. Each process has a designated operator responsible for daily scheduled cleanings to maintain a clean environment. Seiko assures uncompromising quality. To meet our standards, we verify dimensions, surface roughness, and geometric tolerance using devices such as 3D measuring machines, image measuring machines, and laser microscopes. Our visual testing detects cracks and chipping down to 1/10 of a millimeter. We are also equipped with an ISO Class 7 cleanroom, ready at the disposal of any customers who need a more rigorous final cleaning. Seiko assumes responsibility for our quality from start to finish. with special care given to packaging to minimize any risks and ensure safe delivery. For fast and flexible service, our factory keeps an abundance of material in stock, which also contributes greatly to swift processing. At your request, we can ship within 4 weeks of your order date. Top Seiko excels at more than just manufacturing. As a solution provider, we help identify the best path to your goal by providing guidance in material selection, product optimization, and prototyping. To meet a diversity of demands, we also design and make our own diamond tools. This allows our skilled engineers to factor in tool material, grindstone grit, and grain embedding depth to find the right tool for every job. There's no material too hard for us to machine. Our greatest reward is to assist your innovation, and we're ready to apply our skill and expertise to your next technological breakthrough. We hope you will consider working together with us. To learn more about our service, visit us at top-seiko.com or contact us today. We will be happy to assist you.